An affidavit of domicile is a legal document that establishes a person's residence at the time of their death. This form is used to authorize the transfer of that person's assets to either a purchaser or a beneficiary. eForms is the world's largest database of fillable legal forms, and we're here to simplify and explain every legal document you'll need in life. In this video, we'll cover what an affidavit of domicile is, who requires an affidavit of domicile, and what to include in your affidavit. Don't forget to click the link at the end of this video for a template you can customize to reflect your particular situation. So first, who procures and signs the affidavit? Generally, the executor of a person's estate signs this document. This is the person designated by the will of the deceased to handle the execution of the estate. Other times, a spouse or beneficiary designated by a will creates the affidavit in order to access their inheritances. The affidavit should identify the relationship of the signer and the deceased. The document should be signed in the presence of a notary public. Who requires the affidavit and why is it required? The answer to this is the probate court. The probate process varies by state and even by county, so check out our website to understand the probate laws where you live. The affidavit of domicile verifies where the deceased lived, meaning where they voted and paid taxes, not where they died. In addition, the affidavit is required by financial institutions or brokers who hold the assets of the deceased. Companies such as banks will generally ask for an affidavit of domicile before transferring the ownership of any assets, including stocks and securities, to a beneficiary. So what should an affidavit of domicile contain? The name and contact information for executor or administrator, name of the deceased, date of death, domicile or residence of the deceased, and how long the deceased resided there. Usually, institutions or brokers that require an affidavit of domicile also require a death certificate. A copy of the death certificate can be obtained at the local county records office where the death occurred or at the State Bureaus of Vital Statistics office. Once the affidavit and death certificate are provided, the transfer of assets can proceed. Dealing with probate can be a tedious, overwhelming process, but we're here to help. Click the link below to start creating your own affidavit of domicile, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos that walk you through estate-related matters and all other legal matters that you might encounter in life.